Hello everyone, my name is Bioku and I'm a lead cloud engineer. And I take this time to welcome you to this YouTube channel where we will be building cloud engineering projects. So I have created this YouTube channel to specifically build cloud engineering projects and many other projects that relate to cloud engineering. So the reason for this is that I have seen a lot of people struggle after learning the fundamentals of cloud engineering, and oftentimes people quit or get stuck because they do not know the type of projects to build. So this channel is created to help people build projects. So I have in mind how this channel is going to run, and the approach is that this channel will be community driven. This means that I will be reaching out to cloud engineers on LinkedIn, on Twitter, and many other social media spaces to ask for project ideas. The reason for this is because of the extensive nature of cloud engineering. So while I am able to build generically interesting projects, it will be certainly impossible for me to think of all possible cases of cloud engineering projects. So yeah, I'll be seeking for ideas and scenarios from the community and then build the interesting ones. So what this channel is not for is, this channel unfortunately is not going to specifically teach any cloud engineering tool, because I imagine that if you are at that stage of building projects, you have probably learned one or two tools that you want to use or that you will be requiring in your cloud engineering journey, and then you just want to polish your skill and build from there. So this channel, unfortunately, again, is not going to teach any particular tool. Rather, it is going to be focusing on building projects. And obviously, I'm going to be using quite a number of tools to build projects. And yeah, if unfortunately you don't know the tool that I'm using to build any project, my recommendation would be for you to quickly catch up with it. But yeah, I promise to use tools that are very popular and that are industry dependent. So yeah, that's everything we will be doing on this channel. And yeah, we just want to build projects here, just projects and nothing more. So having said that, let's quickly get started.